Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today we have with us the BenQ GV30. Now this is a 720p portable projector that not only looks great but packs a lot of features in it, and of course the design is something that really stands out amongst all the other projectors. I really love how the form of this projector follows the functionality, and we'll talk about all that in a bit. But first, a very big thank you to BenQ for sending this out to me. I'll leave all the product links in the descriptions below. Now first of all, let's check out what we get inside the box. First off, we'll get the semi-hard carrying case, which makes it very easy to bring your projector and all its necessary accessories with you. You'll also get an Android TV dongle that we'll need to install into the projector, some warranty and manual cards, the GV30 projector itself, a remote controller for easy control and access, a magnetic base stand, and a power brick with 3 types of different power cords. Now the only physical setup that you'll need to do for this projector is to install the TV dongle. You can do this by prying open the cover using the pry tool. Now in my experience, this wasn't very easy to open up, so do take your time when using the prying tool. Once the cover is open, you can attach the Android TV dongle and close up the cover. Now that we're done with the setup, I can't help but talk about how good this product looks. It really stands out amongst all the other projectors that I've reviewed. It looks great, and not only that, the form actually follows function. And what I mean by that is that this whole curved shape actually helps with the rotation and the angle of the projection. You get this magnetic base stand that comes with it that easily attaches to the bottom, and that allows you to adjust the vertical angle of this entire projector up to 135 degrees. Now not only that, you do have a nice carrying handle over here in case you don't want to hold it by its sides. You have a very nice way to bring it around. Which also brings me to my next point about the included carrying case, which I find incredibly convenient. Now, this might be a very easy way to bring around if you have your battery fully charged, but if you're going to bring this for an event or a party and you're going to be watching it for hours, you're going to need your power cords and all the other accessories, and this carrying case makes it very easy to bring everything all in one compact package. The other thing that really surprised me about this projector is how good the speakers are, and I'm not exaggerating. Amongst all the projectors that I've seen and heard, this one has the best speakers that I've heard so far. It has a 2.1 speaker system that allows for both sides to project out great sound quality, and the one at the back is actually a woofer that gives you very good bass in your sound. Now it's really hard to let you guys hear how this sounds, but here's a little sound clip to give you guys an idea. Now not only does this speaker work great with the projection, but you can also use it separately as a dedicated Bluetooth speaker. Now I know what you guys are thinking, this is a 720p projector, but when it comes to portable projectors, I don't think many of us are actually looking for an extremely great image quality. We're looking for convenience, sharpness, and something that can just project things out easily. Now that being said, the projection is really sharp and I see a lot of very good details in there. Of course, you wouldn't project this on a massive wall and expect to get the pixel quality of a 4K projector. That being said, I think the GV30 has a good balance between the price point, the image quality, as well as all the other features that you get in a reliable product. Now let's talk about the other specs of this projector. Now it has a specified 2.5 hour battery life, and I decided to test this out for myself and got about 2 hours and 50 minutes on the battery. Now the projector does go into a low power mode when it's low on battery, and the only downside about this projector is that you can't really tell how much battery there is left. But like I said before, based on my testing, it does go up to 2 hours and 50 minutes, so you're pretty safe at about 2.5 hours of battery life. Now when using the projector, of course the main way to use it is to use the apps that's inside the projector itself, but there are also other ways you can input display into this projector, such as the full-size HDMI port, the USB-C display and data port, as well as a 3.5mm audio jack input for headphones. Now there are a lot of common and popular apps already built into the Android OS of this projector, such as Prime Video, YouTube, and Disney. However, you're not able to directly download Netflix into this projector directly. You have to install this app called the Aptoide TV, which allows you then to install Netflix. Now, very briefly, here are some of the different settings and adjustments that you can do inside the projector. First of all, there are 6 different picture modes: the bright, living room, game, sports, cinema, and daytime. Now, most of the time you won't really switch around these modes too much and you just want to get your video or movie playing, but it's great that there are these modes there that are available in case you specifically want your display to be calibrated to a certain type of content. Apart from that, the projector also has an automatic vertical keystone, which makes viewing on different surfaces very easy, especially viewing up on the ceiling. Another thing that's pretty standard on most projectors these days is autofocus. It has a separate lens on the front of the projector, allowing it to focus and get you that crispy, sharp image. Last of all, it does come with Google Assistant built in, which makes it very easy to search for your favorite content. So all in all, I think this is a really great projector. It is well designed, it looks great, and packs a lot of features into a small, compact form. BenQ has always been a trusted brand when it comes to projections, and this speaks for itself. The brightness of the projection works really well even in the daytime, but of course it works a lot better in total darkness. But that's all I have to say about this projector. If you guys have any other questions, do leave it in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them. But I hope this has been informative and helpful for you. Do give it a like if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.